This is Mass Clinic series, and in this video we are going to look at co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. When we talk about co-interior angles, we are looking at angles that are inside two parallel lines and a transversal. Now, let's observe these two lines, the two red lines. Just observe them. You can see that there are two parallel lines. And they are parallel lines because they move together keeping equal distance. They will never meet. That makes them parallel lines. Now observe this black line also. We call it transversal because it cuts across two lines or two or more lines. It's transversal. Now when transversal cuts across two parallel lines, we can create two interior angles as this blue angle and then the blue angle here as well. So this and this, and then out of the red two and then the red here, we call them co-interior. So this red and the red here are co-interior. The blue and the blue here are also co-interior, right? So observe that anytime you create co-interior angles, okay, and you sum them up, they always give you the angle 180, or they are supplementary. So you can see that 80 for the blue, 100 for the blue again here. The two of them add up to 180. Then if you look at this one also, 180, and then 100 also add up to 180. So no matter how we temper with the parallel lines, the angle formed here, 141, plus the angle formed here, which is 39, if you add the two values together, you get 180. The same thing, if you add this 39 plus 141, you get 180. So no matter how we orient our diagram, always the two interior angles here, we call them co-interior angles, they are supplementary. Co-interior angles, they are supplementary. This is what we call co-interior angles. I'm sure this has really helped you to understand the concept of co-interior angles. Thanks so much for watching.